Hi, my name is Art, and in this video I'll show you how to use a while loop in Python. Comparing to a previous example where we were using for loop, while loop is totally different. So for starters, while loop is not definite, so we have no idea how many times it will run. So we need to use a keyword while, and then there gotta be some kind of condition. And then colon, and obviously what I'm doing right now, I'm not actually writing the code, I'm just showing you the anatomy of this while loop. So while condition, and then print something, suppose hello. All right, so what about this condition? So while loop works like this: while checks if condition is true, and then if it's true, it runs this whatever we have here within the scope of the while loop. And then it checks condition again. If condition is still true, then it runs this print again. Checks condition. If condition is true, then it runs again. So be careful because you might run into infinite loop. So condition is very important, and we gotta do with something with this condition. So condition, we could say that condition is defined as 0, so nothing, right? And we could say while condition is less than 10, so then I want to print hello. But there is a problem. There is a problem if I run this while loop like this, condition always will be true because 0 is always less than 10. And we're going to get into trouble, and then we're going to get this infinite loop. So we need to change that condition at some point. All right, so how can we change this condition? We need to, for example, with each iteration, we could increase condition by 1. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to do condition plus equal 1. And then I'm going to change this number. Let's do 3. So I don't want to run it 10 times. So we could say if condition is less than 3, then print hello. Now let me explain you what's going to happen, and then we will run this. So while checks condition, and at first condition is true because 0 is less than 3. All right, print hello. And at the same time increase condition by 1, so condition will be 1. 1 is less than 3, so print hello again. Okay, and then increase condition by 1, so now condition is 2, because 1 plus 1, 2, right? So, but still condition is true because 2 less than 3. And then again we'll see this hello, and we need to increase this condition by 1 more time, and then we're going to get 3. And 3 and this condition won't be true anymore because 3 is no less than 3. So let me run this and you'll see it. And you see we get this hello, hello, hello 3 times. Why? Because what I just did, it actually increased this condition by 1 with each iteration, and at some point we got 3, and 3, like I said, and you know that, no less than 3, so this condition no longer true. So while loop will iterate as long as the condition is true, and then it checks the condition and does stuff. Checks the condition and does stuff. If condition is false, then it does nothing. All right. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to run this again, but I'm going to print condition one more time so you see how we're increasing this condition. And I could actually do this label is, so print hello. All right, let me run it. Now you see condition first, condition is 0, less than 3, so print hello. Condition is 1, less than 3, then print hello. Condition is 2, less than 3, so print hello. Then condition is 3. and this condition no longer true, so we stop. That is it. That's a while loop. Alright, watch my other videos and you learn more about Python and how to run different functions and write different comprehensions in Python.